Hello everybody. This is a video demonstration of ENC neotherm device which we have in our unit. It is a servo-controlled therapeutic hypothermia device used to administer TH in babies who are eligible for cooling. Let us begin with the understanding of the equipment proper. The whole coolant system consists of the main device, disposable temperature probes, one is skin and the other is rectal, a hose system and a cooling mattress. Since this device has no inbuilt battery backup, it is advisable to connect this device to a USB device to prevent interruption of therapeutic hypothermia in cases of power failure. The device utilizes sterilized water as a coolant. The device comes with a water tank reservoir which has a capacity of 350 ml. Sterilized water should be instilled into the water tank reservoir up to the level of brim, and the knob should be closed, which we have already done. So once we have instilled the sterile water, we are ready to proceed with the connections. First, I am attaching the rectal probe to the baby. The rectal temperature probe, which monitors the target core temperature, should be inserted at the level of 3 to 5 cm depth. Next, we should attach the skin temperature probe, which acts as a reference in the right hypochondrium. The whole device takes feedback from the rectal temperature probe for the process of cooling. Next, we should connect the hose pipes to the main device and the coolant mattress. Once we have secured all the connections, we should place the baby in the center of the cooling mattress and then wrap it around. The blanket should be wrapped around the baby with the help of time wraps which are provided with this device. Make sure you have placed all the central lines which are required for management of the baby prior to securing the blanket. So now once we have secured all the connections, we are ready to proceed with the therapeutic hypothermia. You have to switch on the device. Here you can see that once we have switched on the device, the machine displays a panel. Here we have to set the temperature parameters. The rectal temperature during the cooling phase, that is target core temperature, should be set at 33.5 degrees Celsius, which is the standard recommendation. The duration of cooling phase is 72 hours. The rectal temperature after rewarming phase should be set at 36.5 degrees Celsius, and the duration of rewarming phase ranges from 6 to 8 hours as per the recommendations. So once we have entered all the temperature parameters, we need to click on the start button. As soon as we click on the start button, the device becomes functional, and ideally this device achieves the target rectal temperature within 25 to 30 minutes after initiation of the function. Here you can see that machine is displaying the duration on the x-axis and the temperature on the y-axis. During the procedure, if you want to customize or make some changes in your settings, there is an option provided Here you can change the current settings depending on your requirements at any point of time during the procedure. So now this device is fully functional and it is administering cooling for this baby. Now let's move on to understanding the alarm systems and troubleshooting. This device gives alarm principally on 4 reasons. One is when the level of water is inadequate in the reservoir. Second, the flow rate in the cooling matters is less. And the third is when the temperature deviation is at +1 or -1 degree Celsius from your target core temperature. And the last one is at the point of device failure. Here I will try to demonstrate alarm system of this device. Here you can see that once the rectal temperature has exceeded 34.5 degrees Celsius, the machine is giving an alarm. So whenever there is temperature deviation beyond the recommended set target core temperature range, the machine gives an alarm. Unless until addressed, the alarm won't fade away. Once we have completed the entire duration of therapeutic hypothermia, that is, once you have finished your rewarming phase, you should end the treatment as seen with the option provided here. Once you click on the end treatment, the therapy is terminated and the data is saved in this machine, which can be retrieved later. So after completion of the process, switch off the device, untie the wraps, disconnect all the temperature probes, the coolant from the mattress can be removed by pressing the nozzle which is provided at the tube end in this fashion. So once we have disconnected and discarded all the remaining coolant from the mattress, you should sterilize it as per the antiseptic guidelines recommended as per the manufacturer, and you have to terminate the therapy. So that's all from my side. Thank you.